Welcome to the course. This is Justin McCullough. I'll be hosting you through this next several set of classes and modules. This one is specifically around bringing your unified group together in a single GSD session to create solutions as well as clarity and a prioritized committed plan at the end so that you can get stuff done. So in this course, we'll go through several modules, but what you're going to learn is what we call the GSD value framework. We'll also teach you the Pepperoni plan, which is the sort of one plan, one recipe, if you will, that gets 80% of all problems and opportunities addressed with a strategic plan. So it's one of our favorites to start with. Then we're also going to teach you the VIM framework, which is how we align any objective effortlessly. This is sort of a secret decoder ring, one that I teach everybody that I work with because it is extremely powerful in pretty much every context you might face an opportunity or a challenge. So we'll teach that here. We also have the 8 techniques that enable alignment and collaboration. This should be one of your superpowers by the end because creating an alignment and collaboration so that you can get stuff done is one of our key problems that we want to solve within a group. We also work with you on the ideal plan format that creates high impact and committed action. This is a nuance or a variation on strategic planning, quarterly planning, things like that. But you'll see by the end of the meeting where it's valuable and how it's helpful. And then we're also going to teach you the 3 critical personas for every effective GSD plan so that you can kind of know who your cast of characters are to get the results that you want. So let's just jump right into it. What gets us here is just the fact that most meetings suck. They're with people who are distracted, they're disengaged. A lot of times they're multitasking, confused. A lot of times they're afraid to contribute for various reasons. Often they're frustrated and they're focusing on the wrong things, and I know you've been there before. Those kind of meetings are difficult, especially whenever you're trying to accomplish something meaningful, tackle hard problems, get stuff done. In these meetings, a lot of times you'll hear things either in the meeting or after the meeting, say things like, hey, this was pointless. It was a waste of time. There's a strong feeling that nothing ever gets done in meetings like this. And then, the real strong proponents of keeping heads down and not being, in a group environment will say, hey, that could have easily been an email. The challenge, though, of course, is when a group has to meet to solve hard problems, there's a lot that needs to be done in order for meaningful work to be addressed as a team. So what we really need in that context is to have skills and methods that allow you to be the kind of person that's a guide, able to facilitate a GSD session. This is where you can set the stage for collaboration and problem solving. You can set the group up for success, enabling them to get stuff done, and then, of course, drive clarity, decisions, and a committed plan of action. So that's really what we want to get to, and the way we get there is a guide that's able to facilitate these GSD sessions